Well, now, Roberta, your video is going to be in two parts because I hit the wrong button in trying to get the paper, the tissue paper together to put on the next step. So, as I said, after it's all lined, I go ahead and get this translucent powder. Oh my goodness, I love the little case. It's just so cute, so elegant looking. And then the translucent powder is a clear powder, so it comes off very, where's the brush? Where's the brush? Where is the brush? Okay, it comes off very clear. No matter what skin complexion you are, it comes off just, you see nothing. But it sets whatever you put it on, whether it's your face, your lip, your eyeshadow, your lipstick, it sets it. So I'm going to take the tissue paper and put it over my lips that I lined. This is not lipstick that's on now, it's just the lip liner. So I'm going to put it over. I'm going to need two hands for this. Get a little bit of the translucent powder on my brush. Put the tissue over. And set it. Okay, that's to make the liner stick. See? It's staying. The liner is staying. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and get the lipstick that I'm choosing to wear today, and it is a very moist lipstick. It's not the royal jelly one that you have, but this is part of our moisture rich line, and it's just that, moisture rich. Yes, moisture rich. It feels so sweet, so soft, so luxurious. But it does have the problem of it won't stay like your mattes. So that's why we've done this whole process of lining, setting, and then now we're going to put the lipstick on. Now, actually, the best way to apply a lipstick is to use a lipstick brush, because you can get into the areas, you know, and go in the lines, get the lipstick in there really well, really, really well. Let me show you a lip lining brush here. Yeah, where is it? Where is it? I have so much stuff in my little thing here. Okay, I think I got it. Yeah. So this is an angle brush on one end, and then on the other end, it's you can use this brush actually for either to line your eyes or to line your lips. So if you were going to use the brush, I'm not going to, but I'm going to show you that what you would do is you'd pick up the product with the brush, and then you would start off by going in the downward motions along your lips so that you're getting the lipstick into the creases really good. And then you pick up some more and you're going to go, on the outward, horizontally. I'm not going to use the brush, but I'm going to use that same technique of going downward first and then outward first after that. So I'm going to go. See, getting it down into the creases. And I'm going to do the same on the bottom. And I'm going to smush them together. Now I'm going to do horizontally. keeping very careful to keep my little Cupid's bow that I put a lot of work into. Okay. Now, this color is called Rich Cabernet. Now, it's more purplish than it looks because of the liner that I used. I'll show you. See, so it's a little more purplish, but because I used a more red liner, it's lost a little bit of that deepness with the purple. But I still kind of like the color. So then, to prevent being all over my lips, my lipstick being all over my teeth, I'm going to take this finger, I'm going to put it on my mouth, and I'm going to pull it out. See, lipsticks on the finger, not on the teeth. I'm going to do that a couple of times. Just make sure that I get it off of my area of my lips that will meet with my teeth. Okay, so get that off. Then I'm going to do exactly the same thing that I did with the liner. I'm going to take a piece of tissue, actually the same piece of tissue. I'm going to get the translucent powder, and it doesn't have to, it can be any kind of powder. I mean, if it's just, you know, if you have a pressed powder, you can just use a brush and use that. Or even if you have translucent powder that's colored, it doesn't matter. Just the powder to set the lipstick. So I'm going to lay this on here. And I'm going to pull it off. So you see the lipsticks on here, on the side that was against my lips. Now I'm going to wipe off the lipstick that I got, that I swatched for you, and I'm going to show you what happens now. And there's a little bit of transference, yeah, but it's going to stay much better than what you had by not doing what's called dressing your lips. So Roberta, my dear friend, I hope that helps you. I'm sorry the video ended up in 2 parts, but after I already got the lip lining on, I didn't want to just take it all off and start over. So you're going to have this video from my YouTube channel. Please go up to my YouTube channel after you watch it and subscribe. Feel free to share it with all your friends and ask them to do the same. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Then you'll get all the little tricks that I do on my videos that go onto YouTube. So I hope that helps, Roberta, and I hope it stays on better for you. And this is SharenD in 2 parts, signing off. Bye-bye.